Hello, welcome to the bass lick in every key series. In this series we are taking one lick or one part groove and running it through all 12 keys. It's a great way to truly master it, building your technique, improving your ear and getting comfortable all over the fretboard. So let's get started. Dominant chord lick number 10. We are starting from the root note and after playing to 16th note octave higher, and then we have a pentatonic run, and here we are playing note B. You can find the full version along with an explanation on my Patreon. Come, be a part of it. I would love to share more with you. Okay, so now it's your turn. Grab the PDF and practice with me. See you in next video.